You all are the people who shown their interest in joining this club. So language कई फावसे गुजराती, English, Hindi.
It will be much more better if we can interact with each other in English.
It's perfectly all right.
Yeah.
So my first question is why you are interested to join this club? I want a minimum 2 or 3 input from your side, guys.
So basically two things. First of all, I want to interact with all my EE classmates so that we can work together as a team, and I can learn about team management as well as everything that is being done in group. So that is one thing. And another is personal development. I may have some knowledge which other members may have not. We can do, and vice versa. Likewise. So yeah.
That's very good. Anyone else?
To get apart from those theoretical knowledge and go into a practical world with a better knowledge and a better effort.
Okay. Let us first discuss that not only tech club, but why students should join some club type of things. So, I have mentioned around 5 reasons. You can find more than 5, but these are right now okay for us. So, first thing is you will get to meet new people. As you know that this club is initiative of electrical engineering department. But the good thing is, we have got response from all 6 branches of CSPIT, and this is the chance where you can meet new people, share your ideas with them, and yes, you can meet those people who have similar interest. The third point is very good. It is, we can say, itihas gawah hai. So you will get to meet new people who want more from life, who want to motivate you. And why I am saying this? Because next 3 lines are based on that. You will get valuable administrative, creative, and leadership experience. As we know that this group is made by students, and this will be handled by students. So every management thing, every administrative thing, everything will be managed by students. So you will get a great experience of leadership and management, administration, everything. And another thing is alumni. So you will get a chance to get connected with your alumni. And coming to my third point, who want more from life? Who is he?
Steve Jobs.
Steve Jobs. And why he is famous?
Founder of it.
Yes, he is the founder of Apple Computers. So uh, he was the only one who found Apple Computers, or someone else was there. In one of the interviews, Steve Jobs said that in such student club, he met this person, and the pair of them found the Apple computers. Steve Jobs had no idea what to do, how to do. He made, who is the second guy? Anyone knows?
Steve Wozniak.
Yes, known as Woz. So this both met at such student club, and then they found Apple computers in 1976, and nowadays we know what is Apple, right? So student club can be foundation for many big industries. That means you are getting a chance to be an entrepreneur somehow if you want to be. Next, objectives of our tech club. Main objective is hardware. We are focusing on hardware. We are learning theories a lot in classroom. Our university is very well known for adopting new technologies. And further proceeding this line, they are adopting new softwares as well. And they are teaching students too. But is it enough to learn new things? So we need to focus on hardware as well. Software we are learning, that's good. But hardware comes to us. So hardware is the prime requirement nowadays, and Tech Club is mainly focusing on hardware projects. And when you will work on hardware project, obviously you have to work with your team. So your teamwork will be there, your management skills will be there, you will be kind of showpiece of big showcase of Charuset. Our club want to give a platform to such students who want to show their talent in hardware based projects and technical aspects. So these are the objectives. Now the question every student asks, મને શું મળશે? Right? So coming to benefits, our Tech Club is having certain goals of certain kind of hardwares, and if you are member of Tech Club, of course our Tech Club will be arranging many events in future. So there will be no registration fee for any Tech Club member. And yes, we are arranging many meetings for industry specialists and alumni of our campus for students so that they can interact with them, they can ask them questions related to this hardware kind of things or related to their future also. Also, appreciation certificate and technical support from the club. Talking about hardware, we are welcoming such students who have some innovative and creative ideas, and our club is eager to know that ideas and work on that. So also, if you are second year or third year student, you may apply for summer internship at IIT or IISc somewhere. So such institutes are asking about your resume, and if you are part of such members and you have done certain activities, so your resume is of course very impactful for them. So these are the basic benefits which you will get, and activities which we will run in future. So it will be organizing workshops, expert talks, and we can say competitions in our tech fest, cognizance and all, and it will help to our university indirectly and in our resume also. As you are doing extra activities, it will of course and obviously reflect in your resume. And this is all from Team Tech Club. And it is your chance. If you have any questions for us, uh, then you can ask.
Actually, I don't have any question, but I have an idea for a project. If resources are available,
Yes. So,
so yeah.
yeah, you may.
Okay, so in recent times, you might have heard about Narendra Modi ji have taking an initiative about one sun, one world, one grid. So it's mainly focusing on clean energy and bringing all the world together to form one grid. But the statistics, as we analyze, says that India depend on solar cells a lot from China. So for Atmanirbhar Bharat, I think if we can make our own solar cells rather than importing it from China, so that may be a very good entrepreneurial can work on that direction. So manufacturing of solar cells. So I think that
So
might be
yeah,
idea.
yeah. As I said that we will be arranging a meeting with alumni, our alumni who are working in such fields, and another industrialist who are working for that. You can get chance to be an entrepreneur. And coming to innovative ideas, so we have some goals. Our tech club have decided that next year IIT Bombay organize a competition named E-Yantra. So we want to find some students, at least three or four, whom we can send to E-Yantra to represent Charuset. And as they are having very high level, so from this year we have basic two or three hardware based projects. One is moving arm, and another one is a robo. So these are the two basic hardware which we have as a goal now for now. And if you have any innovative idea, so just let us know. If it is fruitful, then we will propose it to higher authorities, and fund will be provided to you if they agree. Any other idea or query or question from your side?
How this tech club is gonna uh, do everything? So like, what is the plan? What is the schedule?
Right now college is not we are not going at college, right? So for now we will be providing you some courses, like if you want to robo, Arduino is must. So you can learn Arduino right from your home, and you can come to college, and then we will work on hardware. Coming to events, and we don't know when college will start, so we are planning to organize workshops based on hardware and Arduino kind of things in next month. So this is how we are working in lockdown condition. As soon as college starts, we will start working on our hardware projects, and the members are supposed to learn everything as more as possible so that they can directly jump on hardware.
Okay, thank you.
And another thing which I was supposed to tell you, uh, don't consider me a bitter person, but we have made this club with many ambitions, that we want this club at certain level. So we need those who want to work and who want to learn. So literally, if you guys want to just enjoy on the name of this club, you may leave. We want those who want to learn and who want to work. So this is the only one priority, or you can say a prerequisite from our side. Any doubts, any questions, any queries? See, right now I am communicating in English, so Gujarati medium students, please don't feel that, oh, mare nahi faave, something like that. We are making a family, so be comfortable with us. Language doesn't matter. Are you guys are ready to join this club? See, if you are giving us assurance that yes, we will join the group and we will work hard, uh, we can add you to our club and all, because we already have a Google Classroom and WhatsApp groups on Tech Club, and we have started working our jobs already. So if you guys are ready, you can comment your name in this chat box. And if you still want some time to think, you can think, and later on you can connect to us. Okay, I am getting one name, Harshil Patel. Any other, anyone else who want to assure us that yes, we will work? Mihir, as if you assure us that you will work hard, then we will directly join you in our WhatsApp group. So there is no such need. Dharav, Nisarg. This will be very beneficial in minor projects and major projects. Okay, mechanical students are also there. Fine, if you don't have any queries, so we can end the meeting here.